Ran out of some wire, so I gotta put a new spool in my welder. I got everything fully welded on the inside there. The outside is mostly welded up. Just got a couple more spots to do, and all that's left is the whole inside. And of course I gotta do my outer plates, fully boxed in. And I got the whole passenger side left to do. Got everything tacked in there, ready to weld up, but got the inside welded, painted, so it won't rust. And we'll finish welding all this up hopefully today. We'll see. It's getting hot, a lot of welding. We'll get there. Literally looking through this hole in the frame. I know. I apologize in advance because I've been working all day and just now realized I didn't record a single thing. Ran out of storage. Or welded on all the way around. I still have to do inside of the frame and the bottom, but this whole area is enclosed now. Fully welded on the inside, fully welded on the outside. I sandblasted it with a little shop sandblaster. Made sure all my welds are nice and clean, no rust or anything inside. Cleaned it out and then painted it with some good old rust protective paint, and hopefully that'll keep it from rusting on the inside. Now I'm going to cap the top, and I know it's going to take a little bit of the paint off on the inside. It's not a big deal. It's better protected than it would be. Started on the other side. Hopefully I can get you some content over there on it. As far as welding the outside, I know it's probably boring, but we're going to do it anyway. And let's see. I got some more surprise stuff up here on the box. To hopefully finish out the majority of this on the axle so I can get the axle out and start welding everything on it. Yeah, a lot of work left to do, a lot of welding, a lot more than I thought it was going to be, but weld up all four corners and at the bottom. Leave the top open. I'll sandblast the inside. I did the other side and paint it. Once that's dry, I'll cap the other side at the top. Sandblast the inside of this. This is just a cheap sandblaster off of Amazon. Works pretty decent for small jobs like this. Alright, so I got my cap plate painted and ground. And we're going to go ahead and tack this guy right on top. Welded up. I'm just gonna hit it real lightly. Okay guys, so we got one side done. Paint on it so keep it from rusting. So I'll have to do the inside and box the frame in and the bottom side, but we'll do that probably tomorrow or the next day. This side's all welded up and I just need to grind it down and paint it just like the other side. So I got a hold of the guys at Fire Pump and they sent me some shock brackets. Now these are 3.5 inch to match the axle. They also come in 4 inch for you guys running the bigger axle sizes, Dana 70s and that. And these tabs just bolt there, fully adjustable up and down to completely adjust your suspension. So Fire Pump does include 2 brackets. They still need cleaned up a little bit for welding and whatever. Some really nice zinc plated shock tabs and then some actual weld on tabs. I'm not sure I'll use these, but they do supply them along with all the hardware you'll need to bolt your shocks on. So super nice setup, a little expensive, but nothing but the best from Fire Pump. Kind of get an idea of where the center of a shock should sit. I want plenty of room in between the frame rails. I don't want it so close to here that your tires are going to rub it. So we're going to go pretty much in line with this bracket, just the inside of it. So we'll set our bracket up there. Make sure it's square with the axle itself. Both this way, and then we're gonna square it with the world, or in my case, the 4-link. That's zeroed. We can set that on our bracket. We're gonna get our bracket lined up where we want it. And it's gonna be right there. And I'm just gonna give it a small cut. So that's saying 0 with that one. Now we're just gonna repeat this same process on this side. Okay guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Get everything cleaned up. As you can see, we got it all painted, all boxed in. I just need to sandblast the inside of the frame here and plate the bottom as well as the inside and remove the shock mounts and put in a panhard bar. Once I get all that mocked up and figured out, then we're going to remove the axle and start welding all the brackets and everything on that. For now, we're just waiting on some steel. Yeah, we'll get it wrapped up and they're going to be sandblasting and cleaning the frame, getting it ready for paint. After I get all that done, get airbags in, shocks in, run some air lines, and we'll start looking into this cross member, see what we need to do to get drive lines to clear. And yeah, so stay tuned for all this. Hope you guys are enjoying the content I'm giving you. I know it's a little boring watching me grind and weld, but yeah, there's a lot of work that goes into this stuff, and I just want you guys to see just how much work is put into stuff like this. Hope you guys enjoy it. Like, subscribe.